Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing fine. Today I'm going to show you how to make these two yummy healthy snacks. So let's first start with the energy cookie bowls. You should first start by placing the old flakes into your food processor and process it into a fine powder. Et voila! And now the fun part. After having added the peanut butter to your powder, mix it well with your hands. It looks yummy. After that, add the maple syrup or the agave syrup, and then add the milk and mix it well until you get a sticky dough. Don't hesitate to add milk if needed. I add the vanilla extract before adding the chocolate. Add the little pieces of chocolate to your dough and mix it well. Don't hesitate to add more milk if needed. And the next fun part is to shape your dough into little balls. And that until no dough is left. Have fun, guys! Et voila! You should put these little balls into the fridge before tasting them. And now let's make the lemon bars. Pit your dates before adding the lemon zest to it, the lemon juice, and the vanilla extract. Place the almonds into your food processor and blend them into fine powder. Once that it's done, just add what you prepared before to it and blend it well. Add the shredded dried coconut and blend it again. After that, the last step you need to do is transfer the raw lemon bar dough into an oven dish or spread it on a baking tray. You should refrigerate the lemon bars for about an hour before cutting them into pieces. The lemon bars should be also stored in the fridge. I hope you enjoyed the video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I will put all the details of the recipes in the description box, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!